Imagine a world where law serves as an impartial arbiter of justice. Sounds ideal, right? But is this truly the case? Well, traditional understanding paints the law as an objective entity. Yet there's a school of thought that begs to differ: critical legal studies. Scholars from this discipline argue that the law is not a mirror reflecting objective truths. Instead, they see it as a tool, a powerful instrument wielded by those in power to maintain their dominance. Let's take property rights as an example. The way these rights are defined and protected often tips the scale in favor of the wealthier sections of society, leaving marginalized communities at a disadvantage. So, the law, far from being an impartial entity, often reflects the biases of those in power. This perspective forces us to reevaluate our understanding of the law and its role in society. Now that we've questioned the impartiality of law, let's delve into how it operates within society. Socio-legal studies provide a unique lens to examine this dynamic. These studies focus on the intimate relationship between law and society, acknowledging that the law isn't a standalone entity, but a product of social forces and influences. It's like a mirror reflecting societal values, norms, and power structures. Take, for example, our criminal justice system. It's a clear illustration of how law operates in practice. Through socio-legal studies, we see how the system disproportionately penalizes certain racial or socio-economic groups, creating a revolving door of disadvantage. It's not merely about crime and punishment, but about who gets to define what constitutes a crime and who bears the brunt of the punishment. Thus, the law not only evolves with societal changes, but also reinforces existing inequalities. It's a dynamic force, ever-changing, yet ironically perpetuating the status quo. With an understanding of how law functions within society, let's explore its deeper philosophical implications. The philosophy of law grapples with profound questions about the very nature of law, justice, and authority. It peels back the layers of legal systems, delving into their moral and ethical foundations. One key philosophical concept is Michel Foucault's biopower. Foucault proposed that legal systems are inseparable from broader systems of governance that regulate and control populations. This perspective challenges the common notion that law is a neutral arbiter of justice. Instead, it paints a picture of law as a pervasive force that shapes societal norms and maintains control. Therefore, law is not just a set of rules, but a mechanism of power shaping and maintaining societal norms. It's a dynamic, evolving entity that permeates every stratum of society, subtly influencing behaviors and reinforcing existing power structures.